France is home to the largest population of Muslims in Europe, yet its government continues to ostracize Muslim women through legislation that limits religious freedoms. In 2004, the French government banned all religious garments from being worn in public schools. Researchers Vasiliki Foucault and Ala Abdelgader conducted a study on the relationship between France's hijab ban and the success of Muslim girls in school. We find that Muslim girls who were in school during or after the law's implementation experience worse educational outcomes, said Princeton University postdoctoral research associate Ala Abdelgader. Their research found that Muslim girls were less likely to complete secondary education, more likely to drop out of secondary school after the implementation of the 2004 law, and more likely to take longer to complete secondary education. French populist right-wing parties are attempting to preserve the country's native population and culture by regulating personal freedoms they feel set individuals apart from the mainstream. Politicians also claim these laws are in the name of women's empowerment without respecting the agency of Muslim women to decide what they choose to wear and their interpretation of modesty. French Muslims are still fighting against discriminatory legislation such as current attempts to ban children from wearing a hijab in public, and the burkini, a full-body swimsuit in public pools. Recently, the mayor of Grenoble allowed burkinis to be worn in public pools. This decision came with a backlash from President Emmanuel Macron and the far right. To emphasize national values, the French far right have been ardent opponents of the burkini, said Abdelgader. We anticipate this new regulation of religious dress to negatively affect the target population, at least in the short run. In the name of secularism, the country's top administrative court has ruled in favor of not allowing the burkini to be worn. Abdelgader and Foucault say there is no empirical evidence yet for the impact of the burkini ban on women, but for many, it certainly furthers the notion that Muslims are not welcome in France.